Howdy y'all, this is Thomas here, looking to bring some awareness to this hidden gem. Big moves just happened in the uranium sector, under the radar by most, most coverage. So if you're into getting that early start, definitely hit the like button. That way the algorithm knows you're definitely enjoying the content, and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're first, because a lot of these moves are first mover advantage. So definitely going to help to get in early on this one, if you believe in the project. So do your own due diligence. Not financial advice. It's your responsibility, because it's your money, your gains. So this here, if y'all are unfamiliar with this, is a project, Peninsula Energy, and we'll bring it up here so you can take a look at this. This is their website here. Little recent price move. It was sub 20 cents for some time. You can see here that was that big move up way before the uranium meltdown, the nuclear meltdown in Japan, which caused everything to go tumbling down. So this chart here really bears witness to the bear cycle that has been going on for such a long time. And it's interesting to keep track of this, because the longer it's been held down, the stock has been beaten down for basically a decade now. But the board kept working at it. They kept developing. They have contracts. They kept filling their contract requirements. So that is a good thing that they do have. That they are creating capital. Especially in the super forward PE ratios that exist in modern stocks. That's something that you want to keep track of. To make sure that it actually is a business that makes money. I know it sounds crazy, but businesses should make money. So this is definitely a hidden gem. It's not on the not on the New York Stock Exchange, so it's a little harder to get into. But definitely definitely worth the time and energy, if you're a believer in the coming bull cycle of uranium. But the big news, this is actually pretty big news here. It's a PDF. Let's go check that PDF real quick out. And so here it is. Who's bought some rights? Oh, there's our old friend UROY. Uranium Royalty Corp acquires existing 1% gross revenue royalty over lands projects. So no new royalty obligation created by transaction. Peninsula sees acquisition of royalty by world's only uranium-focused royalty and streaming company as strong endorsement of lands projects and uranium market prospects. So these are some of the details. You definitely want to get into the weeds and find moves like this, because with uranium royalty gaining rights to the project, is really a bullish indicator for both. Really all three. It's a bullish indicator for uranium royalty, as you know that they're continuously adding to the project, diversifying their royalty streams, and giving investors the best opportunities. So if you're a holder of uranium royalty, definitely good news for you. As I am, somebody who supports this lands project. So check that out. If you're unfamiliar with that, there's a video that I covered already on uranium royalty, kind of before I worked out some of the kinks. So go check that out. Let me know, and support that, because that brings more awareness to to your own holdings. And maybe I'll have to bring an updated video for uranium royalty coming soon. So here it is. They purchased they purchased that 1% gross revenue, which is really good. It's gross revenue, so that's like, before everybody else gets their cut. And they purchased that for 1.25 million in cash. So that definitely helps out all parties. It helps the runway for Penn to develop the Lance project, and also gives Uranium Royalty that diversity in streaming. So it is based in Wyoming, and they're using the most modern technique of extracting uranium, the only one in North America. So that's that's good news. It's proven it works. And yeah, like I said, it's a good move for everybody, for all parties. And as long as the trend for uranium, in-house uranium, the bills that Congress has been looking to pass, and becoming, U.S. becoming independent, energy independent. These are all things that are manifesting from those political decisions, as well as the geopolitics that are happening around the world, and of course the ESG, and all those climate initiatives that are undercurrent in politics, that is affecting capital flow. So let me know what y'all think about this. If you want to do a little bit deeper dive on Peninsula Energy, we can do that. We'll see if we can generate some likes, and I'll come back through and do a little deeper dive, because they definitely have some beautiful stuff. Didn't mean to do that. Yeah, so check it out. Uranium Royalty Corp. Making moves, changing the sector. So let me know if y'all are holders of those. If you are, then definitely you want to load up. If you're a believer in the project, share, that way you can get more eyes, more capital flow to your investments. And yeah, stay tuned, like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next